Hi folks. Today I'm going to show you how to join a webinar. So the first thing you will need to do is you will need to log into Moodle. Remember, to log into Moodle, you need to go to the Norquest website, go to login, enter your Norquest email and your password, and click on the correct course. This is our course, Link 9000. All right, so once we're in our course, we need to decide what week we're in. So this is week 1, and I will click on the week 1 book. In week 2, I will click on the week 2 book, etc. So once I'm in the book, I will go to the table of contents. The table of contents is on the right-hand side of the page, and it will be the second item in this table of contents. It says Webinar. I click on Webinar. Now this is our first week, so we only have a B webinar. But you will have in week 2, week 3, week 4, you will have a webinar and a B webinar. And all you need to do is select which webinar you're going to attend. Each week you will need to attend a webinar A and a webinar B, but just one. Okay, so you're going to click on the webinar that you want. And once you've clicked on the webinar session that you want, you just need to type your name. Your name will come up automatically the second or the third time that you log in. So I'm logging in as Wanda, and because I'm new to this class, I'm going to write Chell so everybody knows who I am. Then I'm going to join the session. And you will see that there is a slide. Now this is a slide that I used last term, at the end of the term. Once you're in the webinar, you'll notice there are some tools that you can use to help you. But before that, we're going to check our devices. We're going to check our microphone to make sure it works. So you're going to click on it and see if you can listen or see if you can be heard. You can always say, "Hi, Wanda," and then turn it off. But just test your microphone. Also, test your video. Turn it on. You can look at yourself, share the video. I will see you for a moment, and then you can turn it off. So you're always going to check your microphone, check your video to make sure it's working. So always come to the webinar 5 or 10 minutes early to make sure everything is working. All right, once you're in the webinar, there are some tools that we can use. The first one is our purple button on the far bottom right-hand corner. If I click on my purple button, it opens up my chat bar. And this will send a message to everyone. Say something, hello, and if I hit return, it gets posted to the chat. I can send an emoji, like a thumbs up, if I understand something, and I hit return or enter, and I can give an emoji. So you'll be asked during the class to give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down or wave or let me know what you're thinking. Sometimes I will ask you to type your answers in the chat bar. Okay, we have a couple more tools. I'm going to show you what they are, and we're going to practice using them in our webinar this week. So the first one is our text box. If I click on the T, I can then click on the screen and I can type on the slide. So sometimes I will ask students to type their answer on the slide. You can change the color of the text by pushing the color button. We're going to practice doing that this week. Okay. The other tool that we will use is the pencil. We'll use the pencil a lot. It is in the top left-hand corner. It looks like a pencil, and that allows us to draw. So sometimes I'll ask you to circle things. So circle the word party, and you'll be able to do that using your pencil tool. All right, and finally, there's the shape tool. The shape tool allows us to make rectangles, circles, or lines on a slide. So if I push rectangle, I just click there, and now I have a purple rectangle. If I want to change the color of the shape, I go to my color tool, I choose a different shape, and I can make a shape. So, how to join the webinar? 1, log into Moodle. 2, go to the week that we're in. 3, look on the far right-hand side at the table of contents and click on Webinar. Find the day that you're joining and click on it. Enter your name. Open the chat bar. That's all you need to do. Enjoy.